Look at this Smreka, which is basically a fermented juniper berry soda, and it's absolutely delicious, fragrant, sparkling. And all you need to do to make it is pick yourself some juniper berries, and if you can't get juniper berries in the wild, go and buy some. But the benefit of picking them yourself is you get to make use of the needles and the green berries. The needles taste a bit like pine. Load all this up in a jar, cover it with water, add about 10% in honey or maple syrup or something sweet, and leave this to ferment. Remember, the wild yeast that's loaded on the berries is going to start to feed on the sugars and on the water and start to bubble up. This was after about a month. I said to leave it for 2 weeks, but I forgot about this one. So we're going to strain it off now, and you get this nice, clean, fragrant liquid. It almost reminds me of gin, but there's an underlying kind of earthiness to it, which I think has come from the pine needles. But bottle this up, screw a lid on or clamp it down, and leave this for another week at room temperature to carry on fermenting and carbonate. But of course, have a cheeky little taste. This was after a week, and it's got a good healthy fermentation going on now, really bubbly. It's ready to go in the fridge, and I like to use it as a mixer with gin.